Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change password on DiDi account. To do so, firstly, go to the DiDi app. Once the app opens, you have to make sure that you have logged into your account first. Tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Then, a bar opens up from the left side of your screen. Tap on Settings, which is the sixth icon. Then, tap on My Profile on the top. Then, on the third, tap on Password. Now here, you can reset your password. To do so, firstly, enter your current password. Once you've entered the current password, then you may type in the new password that you want to reset to. However, in any case, if you forget your current password, then you may tap on Forgot Current Password right above the Confirm button and follow the prompts. Once you've entered the required details correctly, then you may tap on Confirm. This is how you can easily change password on DiDi account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.